Hi everyone. Let us discuss Cloud Computing Unit 1. Topic 2, Introduction to Cloud Computing. Let's look at few 2-mark and 5-mark questions. 2-mark questions. Define cloud computing. Why is cloud computing needed? Mention one historical milestone in cloud computing. Name one cloud service provider. Give one advantage of cloud computing. 5-mark questions. Explain the concept of cloud computing with an example. Describe the need for cloud computing in modern IT. Discuss the history of cloud computing. Explain the evolution of cloud computing with key milestones. Illustrate the types of cloud services offered today. Cloud computing introduction. Cloud computing is a modern computing model that provides on-demand access to shared resources such as servers, storage, applications, and services over the internet. Instead of owning or managing physical hardware, individuals and organizations can rent computing resources whenever needed, making it a cost-effective and flexible solution. The need for cloud computing arises from its ability to reduce infrastructure costs, offer flexibility and scalability for businesses, enable easy access to applications and data from anywhere, and support emerging technologies like big data, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things, IoT. The concept traces back to the 1960s when John McCarthy proposed computing as a utility. In the 1990s, the rise of the Internet paved the way for remote computing services, and by the 2000s, companies such as Amazon, Google, and IBM introduced commercial cloud services. From the 2010s to the present, cloud computing has matured significantly with virtualization technologies and service models like SaaS, software as a service, PaaS, platform as a service, and IaaS, infrastructure as a service, leading to widespread global adoption. Real-world examples include Google Drive, which allows users to store and access files from anywhere without managing servers, and Amazon EC2, which provides scalable computing power on demand. 1. Definition of cloud computing. According to the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, cloud computing is defined as a model for enabling convenient, on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources. In simple terms, it means users can access computing services like servers, storage, networks, and applications over the internet whenever needed, without managing physical hardware. Cloud computing is characterized by key features such as on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, and measured service. For example, launching a virtual server on Amazon Web Services, AWS, EC2 allows users to get computing power instantly without worrying about hardware setup or maintenance. 2. Need for cloud computing. The adoption of cloud computing has grown rapidly due to its numerous advantages. One of the major reasons is cost efficiency. Since organizations do not need to make heavy upfront investments in hardware and instead follow a pay-as-you-use model, cloud also provides flexibility and scalability, allowing resources to be scaled up or down instantly depending on demand, which is highly beneficial for dynamic businesses. Another advantage is accessibility, as applications and data can be accessed anytime and from anywhere with an internet connection. Furthermore, cloud computing supports modern technologies such as artificial intelligence, big data analytics, and the Internet of Things, which require massive computing power. It also enhances collaboration, enabling multiple users to work on the same document in real time through applications like Google Docs, thereby improving productivity and teamwork. History and evolution of cloud computing. The concept of cloud computing has evolved over several decades. In the 1960s, John McCarthy envisioned computing as a utility, predicting that computing power could be delivered like electricity, available to anyone on demand. The idea began to take shape in the 1990s with the rise of the Internet, which enabled remote access to computing resources and laid the foundation for modern cloud services. By the 2000s, major companies such as Amazon, Google, and IBM introduced commercial cloud platforms, allowing users to access storage, computing, and applications online without managing physical servers. From the 2010s to the present, cloud computing matured significantly, driven by advancements in virtualization, faster internet connectivity, and the development of service models like SaaS, software as a service, PaaS, platform as a service, and IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Today, cloud computing is globally adopted, powering services like Google Drive for file storage, Amazon EC2 for scalable computing, and numerous AI and big data applications. Examples of cloud services today. Cloud computing today is delivered through several service models, each catering to different needs. SaaS, software as a service, provides ready-to-use software applications over the internet, eliminating the need for installation or maintenance. Examples include Google Workspace and Microsoft 365, which allow users to create documents, send emails, and collaborate online. PaaS, platform as a service, offers a platform for developers to build, test, and deploy applications without worrying about underlying infrastructure, with services like Google App Engine and Heroku providing ready-to-use development environments. IaaS, infrastructure as a service, delivers virtualized computing resources such as servers, storage, and networking over the internet. Popular examples include AWS EC2 and Microsoft Azure Virtual Machines, where users can run and manage their own operating systems and applications while the provider handles the hardware. These service models make cloud computing flexible, scalable, and accessible for individuals and businesses alike. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.